Happy Market Monday, Chris Bettis, Fluent Mortgage, market fluently. All right, we're calling this There's Always Opportunity, and where are you going? So last month, economics. As we know, rates went way up, right? Half of it's not a surprise. Every January, just history, right? People like to say science. It's just science or history, right? Every January, we see about a 0.5% increase. Note, the other really freak out of another 0.75% was old news Federal Reserve comments in December that nobody paid attention to that got dropped in January. Okay? Rates way up. So everybody fled bonds. Not a surprise. The weird thing, right? I don't know if you're paying attention. Have you seen your stock market, your stock balances lately? Yeah, it's that 2,000 point drop over the last couple weeks. Not normal, right? Investors flee bonds, they flee treasuries, and they go heavy into stocks. The future's bright. January, right? Like, let's go. Okay, science or history, right? Typically, but it's weird or unique this time in the world, when we see a poor January, tends to mean recession in the coming year, or at least a weaker economic year. So, Federal Reserve is going to be talking here pretty quick. So, where are you going? Where's the money, right? It's not in bonds. It's not in stocks. It's not in crypto, right? That makes sense. Hey, we're fleeing to crypto. Where's the money? So kind of like 2008, we're seeing trillions of dollars sort of vanishing outside the United States. So it was about 6 trillion that I'm aware of last time. Where's the money going? Coming week. 3 huge things. The first 2 are like quarterly humongous. The Federal Reserve meets on Wednesday. Fed meets on Wednesday. Really curious to hear how many times we're jumping rates this year. Is it the 3? We know you're going to stop buying bonds, but how are we going to deal with this economy, right? Are we going to the 80s, skyrocketing rates to combat inflation, but stalling the economy, right? Or do we prop up the economy short term and have unsprawling inflation? So really tough decisions. I'm glad I'm not them. So it's, is it harder today for the future, or is it better today and harming your future? So tough, interesting, okay? Some good news though, real estate related. Even though sales were up 8.5%, but volume is down 16%. So kind of makes sense. Little less sales than actually volume, but here's the good, I promise good. Construction, new starts, the future, what real estate's thinking. They think the future's bright. So it's way above expectations. Probably the best and most aggressive we've seen in about 15 years. So in terms of stuff coming onto market, a ways out, but we're coming in strong, okay? And we only have 1.8 months nationally. I know some markets is 0.6, so you feel this. All right, last thing in terms of economics this week. On Friday, we are gonna see that PCE or inflation report. All right, so positivity, finishing it. Takeaways, very volatile. If it were me, I would want to pull the trigger before Wednesday and the Fed speaks. As we know, when the Fed speaks, major reactions to markets, okay? But I'm not scared. Remember what we started with. There's so much opportunity, right? Buyer's market, seller's market, high rates, low rates. There's opportunity. The only thing I want is for the Fed and the administration to pick a path. You can't smash on the gas and pump the brakes at the same time. And so we've got a little bit of that, understandably. But are we the 80s, or are we going unsprawling inflation? Either way, you and I can win. Either way, we're going to advise our clients. Either way, we're going to take advantage and win in this world called real estate and mortgage, right? But we can't. This just makes it hard when you go front back. So pick a path. Let's go. We're going to win. I challenge you to make it a great day. I challenge you to change the world. We'll see you next week. Chris from Fluent Mortgage, market fluently.